Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a unboxing with you. I just received the Dyson V8 Absolute Vacuum in the mail. I have the V6 and I wanted to give this one a shot. The other one wasn't really working as well anymore. I've had it, I think, going on 2 years and it is a staple in this house. I have to have it. So I wanted to do an unboxing. I want to do an honest review and comparison of the two models with you. So let's get right into it. Let's see, right here. See, this is how it opens up. Let's see what we got. Manuals, activate your warranty. I've already done that. This was actually purchased through Dyson. The other one wasn't working. I was trying to get it fixed. They said you would have to pay for service. I said no. So they offered me 20% off and I was able to get this model here. Okay. This one also came with 2 of the heads. I don't see them yet. And 3 free attachments. So that's something I was really interested in. This is the cord that goes into the wall. Here is the charging center thing, or tools or attachment. I don't know yet. I know this is gonna have to charge before I can really compare, so that's fine. The other one I love, I use it every single day. It is absolutely a staple of this house. It's so quick and easy. I have a regular canister Dyson and I never even touch it because I'm always using the handheld. It is a little pricey. I paid $2.99 for the V6 when it came out, or no, like 2 years ago. I don't know when it came out. This one here I think was $4.99, and then there was a sale online through Dyson and then they took 20% off. So with this I paid $3.99, and like I said, I also got 3 free attachments. Some really cool stuff. This is really cool. Let's see how it works. So like it's got the bristles here, and then you can push it down and it's got the more of the angled edge, and it also has like a little carpet thing here, you know, to kind of pick up lint and whatnot. An extra nozzle. Ta-da! Let's see. I'm ready just to break into this thing. I don't got time for all these boxes. One thing I didn't like about the V6 is when we would clean, things would constantly get caught in here and you'd have to stick your fingers in it to pull it out. I really didn't love that. This one I heard, I think it's supposed to push it all. Yes, it pushes it out. Oh my gosh, yes. The V6 does not do that. So you can actually pull this up and then empty the canister, which is amazing. You could not do that with the other one. I probably should stop playing with it until I know how it really works. Okay, I don't really know what I'm doing here. I'm gonna leave that. I'll get that here. It came with this little, like, I think this is the, like, deep down dirt attachment, which is really cool. The V8 definitely comes with more attachments and more bells and whistles than the V6. The V6 is still a really good option. I don't want to deter you. It's a more affordable option now. If you had to choose on getting nothing or the V6, get the V6. You won't be disappointed. But this here, look, this is for like carpet. It's got like okay, yeah. Excuse me, I'm really happy. You know you're grown when you're excited about vacuums. Okay, sorry, I'm still in my workout clothes. So look at this right here. Look at this, it's like, oh my goodness. How cool is that? Especially for like, I really don't know, but especially for something. I'll figure that out. And then here's the regular head right here. I'm sorry, but yes, please. Thank you very much. Yes, please. I like a tidy house. And then, okay, look, I want to show you. It comes with this too. I don't even know what all this is for, y'all. What? Look at the bristles, little carpet thing right here. Okay. So I'm going to show these attachments. So you have this here, the regular angled. Give my camera in a minute to adjust. You know, let me do the classic YouTube thing where everyone holds their hand up so the camera can adjust. There you go, you're welcome. That goes there, and then here, right here. So you have this, it's got the bristles right here. You push this in, and it come up. Yeah, that's really cool. And then when you're done with it, pull it back down. You can see I'm not a professional. Boom, and then it's got that little carpet thing I was telling you about. See? Hello, that's awesome, y'all. So here, this is what I was saying. So the canister, let me figure out how it works. I'm learning with you guys, obviously. I just opened it, hence unboxing. Okay, so how do I don't really feel comfortable doing that. Okay, so this comes in and out. This comes up, and then, okay, wait a minute. Okay, so let's just pretend. Okay, I'm dumping it out. Here we go. And then, oh, it comes 20% charged, so I can compare. Now, I'm not going to be putting any dirt on my floor for this mess, but you know. Okay, can somebody tell me what this is happening here? I feel really stupid right now because I don't know what to do. So this, and then it says up, down. Okay, let me, I don't want to break it. Let me see what I do. Okay, cool, hold on. I'm doing an unboxing. You understand. You just hang out right there for a minute.
Mom, when I wait for the why they didn't.
The donut? Well, they're glazed. Why are kids so cute?
And they can't turn white.
They can't turn white?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can somebody tell me how to work them, please? Okay, so, sorry guys, you don't see how silly I can be in my other videos because I'm usually cleaning and they're fast forward, or I'm cooking and I'm trying to be all serious, but I'm pretty much, I make weird noises, I talk sing, that's what we call it. Like, you know, when you talk sing, that kind of stuff, I do that. So the more you get to know me, the more you will see that. Someone said that to me, they're like, you know, you're so funny. I don't see that on your YouTube channel. I'm like, because when you start YouTube, you feel like you have to be a certain way, but really you just need to be yourself. I'm like, I'm just going to be talking to these people like they're my friends because I kind of feel like we are. So I say be a part of my family. So this is me, like it or not. Okay, so I did that, and it says here, but why isn't this part opening? That's what I want to figure out. So you did it. Okay, that's like that. Okay, so when you pull it, did you see that? I just pulled this all the way up. This pulls out and this pops open. Now you pull it all the way down, just like that. So I'll show you guys again. You pull this little lever here, all the way up. When you do that, this comes up, this opens up, which is really awesome because in the other one, you don't get that luxury. The bottom just pops out, and then you usually have junk and grossness right here, and you gotta pull your fingers in there. No, thank you, I really don't want to. So then you, and close it.
There's only 4.
Okay, hang one moment. Honey, you're okay, just give me a second. So
Where's
this
the other one?
I don't know, I'll find it. So this is 20% charged, and I'll be able to demonstrate the power with you guys real quick. I won't be able to do much, so obviously you take this right here and you put it in. And then, hey Bella, will you bring me the other one, the V6? That's my trusty assistant, Isabella, the homeschool 16-year-old. Excuse me, almost 16. Don't want to age trouble myself. So this is the V6. Okay, I wanted to show you what I was talking about. The canister up in here, what you do when you're ready to empty it out, you press this lever. Please don't be dirt, but I think there is. There was dirt. But do you see what I'm saying? This stays. And then if you keep this down, then you can remove this thing here and get the junk out from up in here. But it's hard. You see how clogged up it is? Let me look. See all that junk in there? It's nasty. I don't like that. Also, sometimes when I'm cleaning, I'm not paying attention, my hand hits, and I have opened this whole thing, which I don't like. So this is the V6 motor head. It's pink and purple. This I have a lot of problems with. You can see we really love this thing. It's really well used. I'm constantly having to clean it out. It's constantly getting clogged, like, okay. So, and at this point it works, but if I put it on max suction, it does this intermittent sound, and this is like, shh, stop, and I don't understand why it's doing that. So I'm gonna compare the two. I've got some dirt here for you, just for you guys, and I'm gonna do a little demonstration for you guys. Partial is only 20% charged, and I'm gonna see how much better it works. You know what I'm gonna do first, guys? I'm just gonna show you the difference between the V6 and the V8. The power. This will not be able to get all this dirt very well. Starburst package or wrapper, and there's hair over here, and there's dirt, and there's a little something else. This V6 will not be able to get it all. Watch. Okay. It would not get, it got the little particles, but it can't get this big stuff. It just won't. See, I just want to show you because all it did was move it around, and I want to show you the stuff that it didn't get. It just pushed stuff around. So, okay, you see the stuff, that's what it couldn't. That was on low, like low suction. Let me put it on high suction for you guys. You hear that? It won't even. See, stuff fell right back out. This just fell right back out. Okay, so that was the V6. Let's compare it to V8.
Well, you have orange.
I have orange. Okay. Now we're gonna do the V8 and we'll see how well it works. Oh my gosh, it's so much quieter. So you saw the demonstration with the V6, it's loud. When I went on max heat, sorry, this thing's trying to get my, there we go. When I went on max suction, it was intermittent. That's not all of them, that's mine, something's wrong with it, I don't know. Hence why I got this one. I'm really glad I did though, because this is a lot quieter, a lot smoother, and I didn't even have to get on max suction to be able to get a piece of glass, a piece of tape, a ball of hair, and a starburst wrapper. That's a big deal to me. Listen to it. Okay, listen to this one. This is those. Do you hear the difference there? And this is the V8. Yes, y'all. Yes. So, and also another thing, the heads, like when you roll it, it's just smooth. It's so, so smooth. Let's give it a shot. Let's do a little more. Oh my gosh. I have to point out, as soon as I put it on my rug, the suction was so great that it pulled my rug completely up. I'm okay with that because that means it's getting the dust, it's getting the junk. The other one, if it's not on max, even if it's on max, it doesn't pull my rug up. Let me show you. Okay, here we go. Do you see what I'm saying? Let me show you with the V6. Okay, and that was regular suction tube. This is max. That's max right there. That is max. And another thing about the V6, the battery life, no bueno, y'all. No bueno. So I have to tell you, honest to goodness, I'm really happy that I got the V8. There's a V10 available. That's what I thought I was getting, but I didn't, and that's okay. So it's well worth it. If you're like me and you need to be able to clean up quick, you have particles on the floor, dust, junk, if you have a dog, if you have an animal. My dog does not shed. Hallelujah, and thank you, Jesus. She doesn't shed, but I am a huge lover of Labradors, so I totally understand that. I've had labs my whole life. That's why I got this, because of my allergies. Totally another video. But you have fine hairs, especially those little prickly hairs, dirt and dust and hairballs and food and junk. Please invest in one of these. It makes me so happy, and it makes me actually somewhat excited to clean. I like to clean anyways, but this just adds to it. I say absolutely invest, and I was able to get this one 20% off. I'll see if I can find some codes, and I'll link them in the description box below. But yes, if you had to choose between the V6 and the V, or if you had to have nothing or a V6, get a V6. It's an awesome, awesome unit, vacuum. I would totally, it's well worth the money. I've had it for 2 years, and it's kind of running low on me. There's also a V7. Love Meg did a review on the V6 and the V7. I will link that down below. She's absolutely one of my favorite YouTubers, and she's so helpful. So definitely check out her video if you want to compare the V7. I got the V8. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you're new to this channel and you like these types of videos and other types of videos, check out my channel further. Join my little family. I would love to have you guys here. I have 5 kiddos, and I'm just doing life here on YouTube. So, love you guys so much. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and again, subscribe. And I will have new videos, multiple videos every single week. Love you guys.